Number one, that is culture of Indian major carps. Culture of Indian major carps. Within that already we are completed about the katla, about the rohu. Last fish within that about the Indian major carps, that is the mrigal. Today we see about the biology of mrigal. Before that, what is meant by the Indian major carps? Indian major carps means those fishes whose native is India, which are used for the commercial purpose. Example, katla, rohu, mrigal, called the Indian major carps. And carps means toothless mouth, called the carp. Then about the biology of mrigal, with the help of these aspects, that is the external characters, food and feeding habit, maturity, spawning, fecundity, distribution, and economic importance. Basis of all these things, all aspects, we can explain about the biology of mrigal. First of all, the first aspect, that is the classification of mrigala. Phylum Chordata, group Pisces, class Ostisthes, order Cypriniformis, family Cyprinidae, genus Sirinus, species Mrigala. This is about the classification of fish mrigal. Okay. Then the next aspects, that is the external characters of mrigal. First point, that is it is a fresh water fish. Then the next one, the scientific name of mrigal is Sirinus mrigala. Scientific name of mrigal is Sirinus mrigala. Next, body is elongated with small head. Next point, that is pectoral anal fins are black in color. Next point, color of the body. Color of the body is silvery dark gray in color. Next point, that is the mouth is terminal and it is a bottom feeder. Already I told that the mouth is upturned, that is a surface feeder. Mouth is subterminal, it is a column feeder. If the mouth is terminal, means the fish is a bottom feeder. Water have three levels: surface, column and bottom. Katla is a surface feeder, rohu is a column feeder, and mrigal is the bottom feeder. This is the feeding habit of that fish. Katla, rohu and mrigal. Mrigal is a bottom feeder. Okay. The next aspects of our biology, that is the food and feeding habit. Already I told that it is a bottom feeder. It is a omnivorous animal. What is meant by omnivorous? Means feeds upon plant related, decayed, mud, dead animals. That is, it feeds upon copaids, decayed, algae, animal matter, mud and phytoplankton. Phytoplankton means plant related material. Microscopic unicellular plants which are present in water called the plankton. Within the phytoplankton, more and more examples about the phytoplankton, which are green related plant material which are present in water, that is called the phytoplankton. This food and feeding habit. Then next aspects of our biology, that is the maturity. Both Sirinus mrigala, both male and female attain mature at the end of 2 years. Means after the completion of 2 years, mrigala mature. This is the important point, right? Then the next aspects, that is the spawning. Spawning is nothing but the breeding. Breeding and spawning are the same sentence. Don't confuse about that. The spawning and breeding both are the same. Okay. The spawning season of mrigal start from June to early August. Generally, about the Indian major carps breeding season, second week of June up to the first week of September or the end of August. This is the breeding season of June, July, August, September. But about the species about mrigal fish, spawning season mrigal starts from June to the early August. Then only once a year temperate country means mature or the breeding of mrigal, that is breeding only one time in the year. This is the seasonal breeder. It is called the seasonal breeder. When the season is start, months of June, July, August, it can breed only once in the year. This is the specialty of katla, rohu, mrigal. All are the seasonal breeders, right? Then the next aspect, that is the fecundity. But what is meant by fecundity? Fecundity means number of eggs laid by female fish per gram its body weight, called the fecundity. Means depending upon the eggs, depending upon the ovary, depending upon the fish weight, we can calculate about the fecundity. Fecundity is nothing but the eggs. Already I mentioned in the slide, that is the yellow color, that all are the eggs. Okay. And the weight of female mrigal 1.47 kg. A total number of eggs found 2,16,800 were found. This is the fecundity of mrigal. And next aspect, that is the growth. When fry stocked at the rate, this is the growth rate, 10 to 12.5 lakhs per hectare. When you stocked the fry stage of mrigal, 10 to 12.5 lakhs per hectare. The growth length 25 to 30 mm in 15 days. This is the one aspect. When we fry, the fry fingerlings, all you know about the spawn fry fingerlings. When the fry stocked 10 to 12.5 lakhs per hectare, it grows 25 to 30 mm in 15 days. This is the growth rate of mrigal. Fingerlings are reported grow 55 to 65 centimeter at the weight 1.2 to 2 kg in 1 year. In 1 year, it weighs 1.2 to 2 kg in 1 year. The growth rate. Some scientists found that it is the Hora and Pillay in 1962. Mrigal 1.8 kg, 2.6, 4 kg by at the end of first, second, third year. It means that in the first year 1.8 kg, second year it growth 2.6 kg, and the last year it growth rate, the weight is 4 kg. Observed by scientists Hora and Pillay in 1962. Then about the distribution. Originally found in North India river, it is also found in Bangladesh, Burma and Pakistan. This is the distribution of fish mrigal. The last aspects, that is the economic important. Why it is economically important for us or peoples? Because it is a commercial fish. It is a more value in the market of India. Mrigal is the valuable food fish. It is tasty food fish. Vitamins A, vitamin D are present in the fish. It is important carp culture widely throughout the India. This is one of the important point, that is culture widely is more and more culture throughout the India. Okay. Thank you.